Ooh, oh my God, Frank, who is that?
Oh, that's Gronk. He's new. They say he was made using a aquaponics system.
Ooh, Frick, now slow down, stop all that fancy talk, and speak English. Tell me, what is this aquaponics system?
It's a system of aquaculture in which the waste produced by farmed fish or other aquatic animals supplies nutrients for plants grown hydroponically, which in turn purify the water.
Well, look at that color. Look at that size. That's got to be one of the biggest pieces of fruit I've ever seen.
Yep, turns out that fruits and vegetables grow faster and even larger, all without using pesticides or chemicals. Unlike us, he's really organic.
Frank, how come I've never seen Gronk before, or any other fruit or vegetable like him?
Well, you should have, because they've been using this farming technique for years in China. Making fresh berries, greens, you name it, they can make it.
Wow, all the way in China. No wonder I've never seen him before.
Well, I understand that, but now all around the world, people are buying big or small in-home or backyard systems.
Ooh, those things must be pretty expensive.
No, they're not expensive. In fact, you can create your own. Listen, enough questions. Why do you care? You're a happy married broccoli.